Honestly, I don't even know what I should call the genre of music other than like maybe a ballad. You go forwards and you kind of get like a little bit of the vibe is hitting, right? And then it just starts going. Generally what I try to do is match at least my high end sounds, so like my snare and potentially like the hi-hat or like the rim shot or whatever that is, to what I have going on in the sample. So when I first heard the sample, the energy that I got from it was kind of like this like low-key, almost like lo-fi, that has like, you know, not the heaviest kick, it's not crazy aggressive, and you kind of center the sample, right? Right, so you can tell that there's something new coming in with the fact that there's a hi-hat there. So I was like, wait a minute, I should put a sub on there, because that's usually what I do with my songs. I go, okay, I need a rim or a snare, I need a kick, I need a hi-hat, and I need a sub. Those are the essentials. Everything else, we can figure out how to do it. When I added the 808, I got a whole different energy from the samples. And what that ended up in was needing to make the kick and the rim shot significantly more punchy. And then for the end, drop a little bit of the heaviness of the sub, and then just have the sample to be focused on, let it fade out a little bit. That is the mixing of the song. The mastering is a little bit more complicated, but to be real with you, that's a beat. But to make it sound better, you know, you want to do different things.